Urgent warning. Is your Coinbase account safe? Right now, just last month, global crypto giant Coinbase got hit with a shocking data breach. We're talking hundreds of millions of dollars at potential risk. Your personal info, your bank account, even your government ID could be in the hands of hackers as we speak. This isn't fear-mongering, folks. This is a fact Coinbase itself has admitted. But under this dark cloud, Coinbase was miraculously added to the S&P 500 index, becoming the world's first pure-play cryptocurrency exchange to get this honor. On one hand, a shocking scandal of user data leaked by an insider. On the other, top-tier recognition from the mainstream financial market. Is this a tale of ice and fire? Or is Coinbase playing a high-stakes game you can't see? Welcome to today's Wealth Code Crackdown. We're going to exclusively unveil the life and death roller coaster Coinbase went through from April to May 2025. The secrets hidden behind this could flip your understanding of the entire cryptocurrency market on its head. Miss this, and you might miss the next wealth explosion, or even step straight into the next bottomless pit. Folks, can you even imagine? The exchange you trust, where you keep your hard-earned cash, compromised from the inside. Yeah, you heard that right. Coinbase overseas customer service staff were bribed by hackers. Your name, your contact details, your bank account info, even photos of your government ID, just handed over to criminals. Initial estimated losses are as high as $180 million to $400 million. Now, Coinbase claims user funds weren't directly lost, and they'll offer full compensation. But doesn't this insider job scenario send shivers down your spine? There's an enemy in your castle. And get this, Coinbase refused the hackers' $20 million ransom demand and instead slapped down a $20 million bounty to catch him. Is this playing hardball or pure desperation? This whole mess directly caused Coinbase stock price to plummet, wiping out nearly $4. $8 billion in market value. This isn't just about money. It's a total collapse of trust. Would you still dare to put your life savings on a platform like that? Let me know in the comments. However, just as the market was sweating bullets over this data disaster, a bombshell rocked Wall Street. On May 19th, Coinbase was officially added to the S&P 500 index, replacing Discover Financial. What does this mean? It means the world's biggest index funds will be forced to buy Coinbase stock. When the news broke, the stock price soared nearly 24% in a single day. How many people got rich overnight because of this? This is a milestone for the crypto industry going mainstream. It's traditional finance giving its ultimate nod to the crypto business. But folks, pay attention. Epic good news on one hand, a fatal security flaw on the other. This huge contrast, think about it. Really think about it. Could this be the perfect script for institutions to pump and dump using good news? As a retail investor, are you just propping up the price? Or did you actually crack the wealth code? You think that's all? Coinbase ambition goes way beyond this. In early May, they splashed out nearly $2.9 billion to acquire Deribit, the world's largest crypto options exchange. This looks like a move to monopolize the derivatives market. With Deribit, Coinbase can offer more complex financial tools to those top players and institutions. Its future profitability is almost unimaginable. But don't forget, the SEC's sword of Damocles is still hanging over Coinbase's head. They're investigating whether Coinbase misstated user growth metrics before its 2021 IPO. Over 100 million verified users. How much of that was pure fluff? Now, Coinbase claims this is all legacy stuff, and they've switched to more realistic, monthly transacting users' data. But if the regulator's iron fist comes down, the consequences could be dire. The good news is, regulation seems to have eased slightly recently, with some lawsuits being withdrawn. Is this the calm before the storm, or is a crypto-friendly spring truly here? Coinbase's fate is still a tightrope walk. And besides these big money capital plays and regulatory battles, Coinbase hasn't been sitting still on tech innovation. Their Ethereum Layer 2 network, Base, recently got a major upgrade, aiming to be faster, safer, and cheaper. Total value locked has already surpassed $3 billion. What's even cooler is they're testing a smart wallet. Imagine, no more complex seed phrases. Create a decentralized wallet with just your fingerprint or Face ID, securely and easily. This is a killer app to pull hundreds of millions of new users into the Web3 world. But could this so-called convenience become a new security loophole? Is it empowering users, or just making it easier for the platform to have one-click control? It's worth keeping a close eye on. With the regulatory environment in the US so uncertain, Coinbase is actively looking for breakthroughs overseas. India, Europe, these are their targets. Especially in Europe with the rollout of micro regulations. Coinbase is actively embracing regulation, trying to seize the market within a compliant framework. Will this be Coinbase, new growth engine, or just a desperate move to spread out the risk? Folks, Coinbase 2025 is like a dramatic Hollywood blockbuster. The gut-wrenching pain of the data breach, the supreme glory of S&P inclusion, the bold ambition of giant acquisitions, the nail-biting suspense of regulatory investigations, the infinite possibilities of tech innovation, the opportunities and challenges of global expansion. All these are tangled together, making Coinbase's future incredibly unpredictable. Will it become a beacon leading the crypto world to glory, or will it, due to its own flaws and risks, end up as a shooting star fading into the night? Your hard-earned money in Coinbase, is it an opportunity or a trap? Now, I'm turning the question over to you. What do you think of Coinbase's recent major moves? Do you think its stock price will skyrocket or will it plunge to the bottom? Leave your brilliant insights in the comments below. Tell me your holdings. Let's analyze them together. If today's insider analysis was helpful, please don't hesitate to smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any exclusive exposés on wealth codes and market secrets. Next time, we'll unveil another financial storm you absolutely don't want to miss. See you then.